How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon at top right. Now scroll down and choose Setting in Privacy. Select Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center at top of the screen and scroll down. Navigate to Your Information and Permissions under Account Setting and choose that. Afterwards, tap Download Your Informations and then tap Downloaded Transfer Informations. And here, you need to select a specific type of informations. You have to scroll down and tap on Messages in order to download Messenger chat conversation. Now tap on Next button. Now tap on Download to Device and choose your email address with the time range as well. You can easily set your date range, format, media quality and pick a delivery method. And after that, you simply need to create file and your information will be ready to download. And after it has been downloaded, you'll be notified on your email address and you can easily download your file and then download all your Facebook Messenger chat conversation. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.